Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today, late day, was a very, very nice bounce. To think that, pretty late in the afternoon, the price was all the way down there. And then all of a sudden, by the close, the price had bounced all the way up to that point. So I think everybody would agree, yeah, today, nice solid bounce in the late afternoon. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my opinion, all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at $1.25. Why is $1.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. The previous base of lows would be down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time unfolds. And for me, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as $1.25. Now, what about areas of resistance if this bounce is going to continue? In my mind, it's all about the purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that's pretty far away, but keyword there being moving. So as time unfolds tomorrow, that line is going to move its way and get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on that, and if the price does do battle with it, it'll be interesting and very revealing on just how much power or lack thereof is behind this current move. But as it stands right now, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority, in my opinion at least, going through healthy consolidations and building those higher bases. Because if the price keeps on building higher bases as time unfolds, the bounce is going to eventually turn into reversal, and then the rest will be history. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this bounce and momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.